You'll figure it out.
Remember, we'll figure out to go to school on Monday, May 4th. So we'll figure out for summertime break, summer season break. We'll figure out to go to school. We'll figure out to go to the beach in Texas. We'll figure out to go to Ohio, probably the summer season. So we'll figure out in Texas. We'll figure out today. So we'll figure out to France, to Rome, Italy. So that's so funny by Gelsos. I can climb the airplane. I can climb my bicycle. I can climb the bike. I can climb the school bus. That's so funny by Gelsos. We have airplanes in the sky in Texas. It's Southwest Airline or Emirates Airline. You can climbing the skateboard. We'll figure out to go to school by Gelsos.